Hello everyone. Now for these two signals, I would like to make you understand the shortcut trick. We know how to get the mathematical expression and how to get the integration of these two signals. Now, if you want to prepare for GET, you need some shortcut tricks that will be beneficial for you. Or for any competitive exams, it will be beneficial for you. These are very important point. Two things you need to remember. If there is a impulse signal, we know the impulse signals are actually giving it is given by their weights. So in this signal, the 4 is its weights, here it is 8. So when we integrate the impulse signal, these weights will be converted into magnitude of step. We know when we integrate, it will convert it into steps. So these weights will be converted into magnitude of step. This you want to know for to draw the integration of the signal using shortcut way. And for this, when we are going for ramp, you should know that area of the step, the area of this signal will give you the magnitude of the ramp. Okay, these two things you only remember. Now I am doing the first one. Understood? So how we are going to do this? As weight of impulse is giving you magnitude of the step. So if I draw this signal, it will be better if I can able to draw the signal just beneath it. It will make you understand better. So I am doing this. So suppose this is my signal. Okay, now if I want to get the magnitude of it, suppose I am starting here. This is the zero line. This is my zero line. So this is my -2. This is my -2. So here what we will get, this is the weight of impulse. So if I integrate, I will get the magnitude of step. So what will be the magnitude of this step? This will be 4 ut. Okay, so if I will draw the magnitude from here to here. It will be like 4. It will be just 4. Okay, now these 4 will be continued unless there will be any another signal. So these 4, as the step is there, it will be continued. We are getting the next signal at +1. So this is my +1. So this signal will be continued up to +1. Okay. Now what is the magnitude you are getting now? So this is -9. And in the above side, this is 4. So what is the resultant value? The resultant value will be the, if you just subtract it, you will get the value of -5. So this means that this will be in the total this magnitude will be converted into step, but the 4 will be upper and the 5 will be in the beneath, in the lower. Okay, so this will be, here it is the value 4. As we have told, the weight of the impulse is convert into magnitude of step. So we are getting 4 from here. So what will be the remaining part? The remaining part will be 5 to make it total 9. So as it is in the negative direction, that means it was 4. This 4 will come from 4 to 0, and from 0 it will come again up to 5 distance. So it will be 4, and this will be, here the value will be -5. So you are getting a step 4 up to 1, and then after you are getting it -5 up to the point time t equal to +4. Understood? So up to time t equal to +4, it will be -5. And then what will happen? Now here what we are getting? We are getting the value as 8. So our step will be of 8 unit. Understood? So our step will be of 8 unit. We are getting here 5. So from -5 it is positive. So our step will be in the upward direction. So we are getting 5 from this signal. Another part 3 we will get in the above of the 0 line. So this was 5. It is going -5 to 0. That means it is going in the positive direction. So it is plus. It is basically 5 unit, and 3 unit we will get in the upward direction, and we will be here the value will be 3. It is the time 4. Okay. So if you remember, we get just like this type of curve in when we have done using the mathematical expression, but here we done it in a very small time, you just by observation. Understood? Now what I am going to do, I am going to give you understood how to get the signal of integration signal. So this is that I have to write it integration. This is basically integration here. This is basically integration of fx. Now this must be ft. Sorry, ft dt. This is the integration of ft dt. Understood? Now what we are going to do? We are going to get this signal and we are going to get the integration of xt dt. Understood? So how we will do that? As I have told you, area of the step is magnitude of the ramp. Clear? Magnitude of the ramp means if this is a ramp, this is its base area, this is its slope, and magnitude is like this part. Okay. So the area of the step must be magnitude of the ramp. Understood? So what is the area of this slope? This is 0.5 and this is 1. So the area is 0.5. Area is 0.5. That means I have to draw a ramp having magnitude 0.5. Understood? I have to draw a ramp with magnitude 0.5. So what will be how to draw it? If this is 0.5, I have to draw a ramp here with magnitude 0.5. So what is time duration? Time duration 0.5. I have go to magnitude 0.5. So that means it is a ramp of unit slope. Understood? Now here what is going to happen? As there is no signal, the ramp will be on its value 0.5 but having no slope. There is no step signal here, so the ramp will be like this, having zero slope. Again, if you think of this area, now the ramp is here at 0.5. So what will be the area here? This is also 0.5 and this is 1. So here also area is 0.5. So the magnitude must be again 0.5. So if it is 0.5, so you have to go for another 0.5. So this another 0.5, that means from 0, it is basically 1. Okay. So the ramp will be go for another 0.5 magnitude. Next, as there is nothing here, so it will remain at that value 1 with 0 slope. Next, when this is at 2, this is at 1.5. This is at 1, this is 1.5, this is at 2. Now here also we are getting the area is again 0.5. So here also the magnitude of the ramp will be 0.5. So what is 0.5? 1 and here 0.5. It will get 0.5. So it will be from 0, the value will be 1.5. Understood? So this value will be 1.5. So we will get this ramp. This is the unit ramp because this is 0.5, this is also 0.5, so it will be Now at 2.5, what will happen? There will be, as there is no signal we are getting, we will consider that the ramp will be at zero slope. So this will be the figure of the integrated signal of this. Without having the expression of the signal, mathematical expression, just observing the signal, we can draw this. Understood? Thank you.